Hey folks, you know that old saying when everybody says that you learn something new every day? Check this out. Listen, I've been around, carburetor cars for a long time. And every time with some of the old cars, you'll notice that the fuel filter that people add on, like I do over here, because this one sits a lot, it always seems to run out of fuel after a couple of weeks. This one has been sitting for almost 2 months now. And look at that. It actually stays pretty full. Okay? I mean, it doesn't get fully full. It just doesn't work that way. But usually, halfway tilted, that is perfect. And I always wonder why that the fuel filter always leaks out. I always thought that it just returns back to normal, back to the fuel pump and down into the, the lines back to the tank. But guess what? This one also had a carburetor leak that actually started to see a carburetor leak. All right, it was coming from the bottom of the gasket over here for the float bowl. Okay, but before then, you never saw a carburetor leak, because even if you had a small little leak, it just evaporated as soon as it hit the manifold. So you see the little stains over here, but you never see a physical leak. So I never said anything or never did anything about it until I actually saw a real drip. But you know what? Once I rebuilt the carburetor, redid the float, redid all the seals, look at that. It holds and it stays. So I'm thinking now, maybe because it leaked out of here, air got into the system, and then somewhere along the line, the fuel just decided to come back that way, or the fuel line evaporated through the air and the gases and came out that way. It's the only thing I can think of. But yeah, I'm amazed that after 2 months, it has stayed just like that. So that means I do not have to pump this, 5-6 times in order to get it to start up. Now it should start up right away. Look at that. Amazing. Things you learn, right? You're never too old to learn, people. But yeah, 2 months sitting here, and it's still full. Gotta love it. Gotta love these 1-barrels. Old Dodge Dart. Alright. Thanks for watching. Ciao.